Hello and welcome back. Chic Spaces today is going to unveil a dream home for a very sober family. You must have seen beige and wooden combinations houses, but I bet this will stand out from the rest. I'll have Punit explain the elements in detail.
The earthy touch of Italian hickory wooden laminates and veneers makes this home evergreen. The living room puja unit and the CBR wallpaper is one of my favorite features of this home. Stay tuned to have the owner's feedback and to know about their favorite chic space.
We really like the CBR wallpaper and the puja unit. The output was really wonderful, like how we thought. And I would like to really appreciate the supply chain that Chic Spaces is having. Amrit was very supportive. Our project manager, Puneet, was really very supportive and giving us many ideas on choosing the colors, choosing the knobs, choosing the wallpapers as such. And that's how we customized the CBR wallpaper. That's the most interesting part that we wanted to have for our kit. And I'm really very happy that it has come really good.
Thank you, Surya. It has been a wonderful journey for all of us. Please watch the entire video and leave in comments about your favorite chic space. Thank you.